I let go like that.
Daddy's not holding you.
He hurt himself.
No, just one hand.
He walked off.
He doesn't do it.
Right there.
Oh.
Watch out.
I got him.
Okay, one hand.
Oh.
It's okay.
Look
You
at the
can
big
do
boy.
it.
Look at my biggest boy. Now he's got to hang on. He is,
There you go.
Oh, yeah.
He's walking like a biggest boy.
Actually, Kent, I think if you walk alongside him, because he's not reaching for you. There. There you go.
Look at the big boy.
Let's go this way.
But you have to walk alongside him, because otherwise he's chasing you.
That's his wrong hand. He didn't
Okay.
want that hand.
Walk.
There you go.
Look at Jaden. Look at Jaden. I see Jaden. I see Jaden. I see Jaden.
There you go.
Biggest boy.
Let's put this on
Careful.
Facebook.
K versus right hand. Better. Look at how big he walks there.
Look at
Jaden.
you.
Look at Jaden there. Look at Jaden.
He's nervous. He's breathing like he's nervous.
Oh.